So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And today, I want to speak about two things: Kido Taylor-Hart, and also this is going to be an appreciation post. Appreciation to who? What about Kido Taylor-Hart? Those are the things that we'll be speaking about today on this show. So I want you guys to smash that like button because we have to show appreciation to those who put out 100% effort in what they do, and definitely we have to appreciate it and let them know that we do appreciate that the word that they put in. So guys, smash that like button for that, and also smash the like button for Kido Taylor-Hart, and we have good things happening with Kido Taylor-Hart. Now, guys, let's get straight into the video. First of all, I'm going to do the appreciation post. Why? What is this appreciation post about? So our Gold Cup campaign commences and then it finishes. Now, we don't acknowledge the persons who are putting all the work. We only acknowledge how we feel about what is happening. And as fans, that is our duly right to feel and to express what we think. We cannot take that away from us. That's us as fans. And we have to appreciate that. We definitely have to appreciate that because that is a fact and that is a part of being a fan. That's a fandom act. I would definitely say. So the first set of guys that I want to put the appreciation out to is the medical staff, the Reggae Boyz medical staff. These guys put in a lot of work. These guys know what they're doing, and they did. We didn't hear any major amount of injuries coming out, just little nigglies and those type of things. Then the last one with Leon Bailey, and God he knows what happened there. But in the same sense, we understand what's happening, and we have to give these guys total appreciation for all the hard work. So my post states, I want to say a job well done by the JFF medical staff. You guys put in a lot of hard work, and I just want you to guys know that it's not going unnoticeable. We have fun of seeing the effort and the hard work that you guys put in, and we totally appreciate it. And we say thank you very much, and we see you guys in the World Cup qualifiers, and we hope to see the same work rate and the same effort. Thank you very much, all of you guys. You guys did a very good job, and we have to appreciate it. You guys did something immaculate in getting the guys ready and prepared for every single game. We have to show you appreciation for that. Now, the next set of guys I want to give appreciation to is the coaching staff. The coaching staff, yes, the coaching staff, we definitely have to give them. So the post goes as this. This is also an appreciation post to the coaching staff of the hard work they have put in the team's preparation for the Gold Cup campaign, and also the hard work that was done during the campaign. We as fans are extremely proud of you guys, and thank you for the work that you guys put in. Despite our differences, despite our expectations as fans, we have to say a job well done. Yes, we know there was a lot of disappointments, but you guys put in the hard work. We cannot look past that, and we do have to say we thank you for the hard work that you have done, and we're looking forward to see more improved work coming into the World Cup qualifiers, because we're expecting bigger things to happen, greater things to happen in the World Cup qualifiers. But you guys put in a lot of work with the players, and we definitely appreciate it. And we have to tell you thanks. Those who are heading the steel, the heading the the coaching element, Tapa Whitmore, Paul Hall, Mr. Garden himself. Thank you very much, guys, for the hard work that you guys have put in. And as I said, and I'm going to emphasize on this aspect, we're expecting harder work. We're expecting harder work, more improved work coming into the World Cup qualifiers. So thank you guys for everything you have done. Now let's move over to last but not least, the gens. These are the guys who went out on the pitch and put in stellar performances week in, week out. Yes, despite what we feel, despite what we believe, I'm going to read the post as is. This is an appreciation post to all the Reggae Boyz, those who were in the provincial 60-man squad, those also who is in the Gold Cup squad, every single one of them. All the Reggae Boyz, let you guys know that we as fans appreciate and acknowledge the effort, blood, sweat, and tears that you guys put in to be where you are and for the work that you have done so far. We thank you. We are saying thank you guys for putting in the effort despite the disappointment. We totally understand that is a part of football. And we're expecting again better performances coming in the World Cup qualifiers. That's what we are expecting as fans. So we still have high expectations of you guys. We still lay our burdens on you guys because we are carrying the burden. Despite you guys are playing, we are the ones who is carrying the burden. We are working. We have the pride. We have the honor. We have the belief that you guys can make us proud. So definitely we appreciate everything that you do, despite us as fans, or we behave, or we act some of the time. That is just it. That is fandom. That is totally fandom. And we totally appreciate it and we love it. We love it. And guess what? It's a roller coaster. Coming qualifiers again, same energy, same place. But thank you guys for all the hard work that you guys have put in. And I just have to say, guys, that is a part of football, and we understand what is happening in the world of football. Now, let's move into the final take. One of the reasons why, but yes, as I say, people, finish. Let me finish the appreciation. Thank you to everyone, to every single one who definitely, even the fans, thank you to the fans as well, because we stayed up late nights. Can you imagine? Do you guys remember the Serbia game? Do you guys remember? Is it Serbia or the Japan game? One of those games I played in the wee hours of the morning, and we were up because that's us. We are loyal, and we are expecting that same energy, that same loyalness, if that's that same loyalty, I should have said, from the players, because we are. This is our work. This is what we do. This is our work. We support and we criticize and we make nice. But end of the day, we love what you guys do. We love the fact that you guys are wearing the shirt. We love the fact that you guys are representing the country. We totally appreciate it. Doesn't matter what. I am not sure if anyone else did an appreciation post, but this definitely is an appreciation post to all the Reggae Boys and the work that you guys have done. And thank you very much as fans. Thank myself, because we are loyal. And that's what we do. So thank you guys. So we're going to move over now to the final piece of the puzzle that we want to speak about, which is Kido Taylor-Hart. I didn't know why I even left this one to the last. I'm not sure why I left this one to the last of the of the video, but it's not long. That is the reason why I actually left it to the last. It's not long, because it's just an announcement that Kido Taylor-Hart has significantly signed. So this is his post. I'm excited to sign my first professional contract and extend my 10 years as an Arsenal player. Thank you to the fans that showed me love. Hope the wait was worth it. Now, Kido Taylor-Hart. Why would I be speaking about Kido Taylor-Hart? We all know that Kido Taylor-Hart is heavily linked with coming to play for the Reggae Boyz, coming to represent Jamaica. How some of us, also all people, how would anyone know that? What would give us that idea? First of all, I witnessed him on a live saying that he's sorting out his papers. That's what he said on a live. He said that on a live on an Instagram live. That is exactly what he said on an Instagram live. The question popped up in the live. He was actually on live with someone else, and they asked him about it. And he said, my papers are being worked on. That's what he said. So we're hoping to see that. Mere fact that he's extended his contract with Arsenal, I think it's going to be another battle between the JFF and the English FA again, because he's a talented player. But let's see where this one lies. But I'm hoping that JFF can get this one over the line and give, because we know the issues that these youngsters are having in the English area, that region, in accordance to certain aspect of how people view their ethnic background. And definitely not a topic that I want to lament on, but in the same sense, these guys are really now making doable consideration. They choose their future and what, because at the end of the day, yes, you play for the England national team, yeah, more exposure, but in the same sense, you get more exposure, you get play 3 games, 2 games thrown aside. When you represent other nations, you are looked on like legends and you are highly rated. So literally every one of the fans, you're like they lament on you. So, and I think that those are some of the things that give the players an extra push to go harder to achieve what they're trying to achieve. So I think that definitely this is a good thing for us as Reggae Boys fans, also for him, and a beautiful contract he got. Yeah, some nice though. The money was nice, but in the same sense, it was really noted and a bold move by him to seal his career. Let's see if Arsenal is going to do anything about it. Let's see. But people, thank you very much again. This has been really a good one, a short one, but mostly I just wanted to lament mostly on the appreciation post, because I believe that that is something that we should be doing. Sweating. That's something that we should be doing, and appreciating the work that and the effort that was indulged into the campaign, the Gold Cup campaign. So Kido Taylor-Hart, big contract for Arsenal Football Club. Big things we're expecting from Kido Taylor-Hart going into the future, and definitely appreciation post. Thank you, JFF. Thank you, the Reggae Boys. Thank you, the coaching staff, and also thank you, the medical staff, and thank you very much to the fans as myself. Yes, thank you. Massive respect, people. Please smash the like button for this one. Definitely help this one get out in the YouTube algorithm so that people can see it. And because a lot of people, you're watching. If you're watching, smash it. It doesn't matter if you take a peek at the video, touch that like button. Just a peek, touch that like button. It's free. It's $0. I'm not charging for it. But people, thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV, and I am